Care package over there. Survey beacon over there.
Got an extended energy mag here. Level 3. Shield battery.
So mark over there.
Ni idea. Yo dije no. La la la la la la la la. Bla la la la la la la la. La la la la la la la la. Come on, man. I don't like this map. This is basically PUBG. PUBG map in Apex Legends. Oh. Oh. All right, let's see. Let's see. La la la la la la la. La la la la la la. La la la la. La la la la. La la la la. La la la.
I'm Jump Master. Strap in. We're gonna risk it for a biscuit.
Hello, guys. Got no ammo. I'm safe. Keep trying, I'm safe here.
I am here, my friend.
They're gonna see us. No, no, no, no, no, no. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Sorry, mate.
I would have gotten you either way. Safe to act.
Sorry, mate. That's right. La da la da la da la da da da da. All right, next team. Let's go. Teammates were so kind. Nice. I like it. I like it. Doesn't matter if you play bad or good. Just GG's. All fun. La, la, la, la, la, la, la. hello. What up, what up? I ate too much today. La la la la la la.
Can't make an omelette without breaking a few spines, eh?
Yes, my friend, if you join the squad, leave your like and sub the channel and we can play whatever you want. Just join the squad. This is your house. Come whenever you want. We are here.
I'll try and keep us under the radar. Let's go there.
Wait up, eh? Spotted an egg there. Yamakara. An enemy landed near me. Drills ripping through. Charging my shields, cousin. Marvelous news. We're in the next ring.
I got a hit. Hello, hello. Nice.
Back. I won't always be around.
Come on, you eggs. You wanna live forever?
Give me a second. Fixing up.
More coming.
Watching. Getting a bit of hoe water.
I've broken enemy shield.
I'm healing.
Sure. We're already inside.
I got a little trigger happy. Time to find more out. Roll and
GG's. That was a whole team. That was a full team and I didn't know. I thought he was solo.
Your package over there. My ultimate's ready.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, full team holding their position like it's ranked. Exactly. You have to take this game serious to win your games. They did good.
There's an idiot.
Hey, amp here. Over armor.
Numpty in our order.
La la la la la la la la la Nice shot, man. Good job, buddy. He's cooking, he's cooking. Wow, he was 1 HP. Le le le le le le le le le le le le le. Ay ay.
Ready to go. Seen?
Life's an open book.
Hello, hello.
Get your mum's permission to read.
This is your champion.
Dun, da, dun, dun.
I'm the jump master. No straying now. Let's land here. Enough landing around. We're dropping.
Recharge your shields. Reload. Miami knuckle cluster.
One shot, one shot, one shot, one shot. Nobody's one shot.
Firing a frag. I'm down. Clown here.
Can you res me, Revenant?
It's
Oh
nothing
man,
personal.
come on.
Maybe we'll be friends next time. Pop-up booster hit. Optics here.
Man,
Optics here.
Powder hits so hard.
Quick.
I swear it's crazy.
Actually, no.
Attention. There is a
Let's try fuse now.
No faffing about, fellas. Let's bloody do this.
Feel like the character sounds are lower now. The dialogues are lower now.
Jump Master Fuse at your service. There's a prime spot for me.
Hello, hello.
Oh, how's the serenity? Well, supply bin there.
Oh, from behind.
Nah, fair income for that.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Oh, you little ripper.
Patrick, can you smoke and rest? I'm still so young.
We're already in the ring.
Go here, fellas.
Giving him the
Abu!
Not looking good.
This team is not gonna do anything. This team is not gonna do anything, man. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You can do this, somebody.
Let's get her done. Be back in time for a coldie with Houndy.
La la la la. DJ GG.
Yavrum kral yakıyor yine.
What is that? Is that a language?
Better find me before I find you.
Bro Kerime.
Was that Arabic? How do you say? How do you say?
İran.
Iran. So what did you just say?
That's just how this works. Somebody has to lose.
Turkish
Can you,
version.
can you translate it to English?
Turkish bro. Little B.
Little, okay, little. I'm lagging, man. Don't die, little.
Okay, bro.
Ping,
how's
ping,
the
ping,
coverage,
ping, ping,
man?
ping, ping.
Looks like we're the next ring. Good.
Healing. I'll walk it off.
This guy's. This guy sounds like. I feel like there's someone here.
Hey, we got ourselves a new
Come on, Jimmy, get his banner.
Grab our teammate's banner.
got the banner. You're safe with your rover. Going out of the smart beacon for us. Shield up.
This game win bro, this game win.
Cracked an enemy shield. Juice enemy shield.
We always win.
One. Go, one. Really one.
Oh my god, he goes one shot. He's resin with 1 HP. 1 HP resin. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah. I am pro bro. I am pro gamer. Don't worry.
Fusey's got an upgrade.
They were already dead. Like zombies. What do you mean?
Gotta heal. Taking a knee.
Oh, watch out. I see somebody bro.
Yeah, I see.
Here comes the old knuckle cluster.
Nah.
Idiot.
Level. Watch out, fellas.
One more team.
Fusey's got an upgrade.
Let's watch out. One more team is here.
Rumble over there. Dropping the molo.
Cocktail. Next one.
Squads are dust. And the rest.
No HP.
Yeah, that's how we do. Ow.
Amp here. Overflow healer. Shield battery here.
Above us here. Oh, it's you.
Hostile close.
Let's go. They have Lux.
Enemy shield.
No, I was getting up by everyone. Oh my god. Kill all of them. You kill all of them. That's right.
Bro, we can play again if you want.
I'm playing solo, buddy. It was nice to play with you guys. GG's.
Okay, bro, have a good day.
Good day. Wasn't good, man. The way Loba runs away. GG's, you should have focused to Octane exactly. But I didn't want to lose my time by looking for Octane. Decided to go behind them so that I can have the other guys, but Octane was right behind me. I was sandwiched. Nobody's, all good.
I know where we want to be. Follow me.
La la la dun, da da da dun, da dun, dun, da da da dun, dun.
I enjoy many things, but death is what inspires.
La da la da da da da da da dun, dun, dun, da da da da da. And da da dun, dun, dun, dun.
As Jumpmaster, I alone decide our fate.
Time to break some hearts. Let's land here.
Yes. Prepare for bird's eye.
Deal damage with traps. What else? What else, buddy?
We should inspect that area.
It's on her. Hold on. Give my shield a recharge.
Careful, there's a Sheila.
Give my shield a recharge.
Where is Sheila? Motherfucker.
Another variable for the labyrinths. That was the last one. Subtracted from the equation.
Ooh, look at this guy's loot. You want that?
Thanks.
Yeah.
Enhance my weapon. You got it. Healing. Watch my back.
Of course you want that.
This enhanced weapon is superior with
I'll drop you optic if you want.
optics here. Close range.
Time to stock up. Standard big spotted. I'm taking shots. Phasing. Squad's attack. Enemy shield broken. Enemy down.
Throwing Arc Star.
Overhead. Cracked an enemy shield.
Where are they? On top?
Enemy shield broken. Reloading. We got company, people. That was the last one. Nice work.
Throwing Thermite.
Grenade.
Down the subject.
These guys have nothing. Is that your portal? Yep.
Yeah, no.
Spotted. Double timing it. Cracked an enemy shield. Broke enemy shield. Oh, painless knocking at the door.
Fuck.
I gotta heal, I gotta heal.
Extended light magazine here.
Kikker.
Merci, merci.
All right. Gotcha. I'm out of heavy ammo. Recharging my shields.
There are some.
Ammo here.
Need gear. Scouting here.
Someone has been there.
Shield back. There's an amp over here. Bottomless battered. Shield battered here.
I lost counting people, man. How many we knocked? If we got all of the kills, I have no idea.
Package over there.
I feel like they are.
Getting shot at. Reloading. That was the last one. Next one.
Okay. That was the missing guy.
Care package over here. Light ammo here.
Thank you.
Let's fly.
Located the next ring. Inspect
Oh,
Position there.
there's no fly.
Beware, my ultimate is ready.
La la la la la la la la la la la. I think they are here.
I suggest we analyze those grounds.
Heard that.
I wonder how much damage does my ult do.
Frag out. Enemy shield. I downed an enemy. Taking damage. Give me a sec.
They are raised again.
Safety's off, folks.
Coming, coming, coming.
Safety's off, folks. Enemy
He's almost broken.
Shield open.
He might be cheating, huh? I don't know. Default skin? I don't know. That was suspicious. Is this guy legit? I mean, of the Liberate? Lifeline? Let's see. No man, this guy is not gonna be able to kill two of us. No, there's just no way. It's bad. Look, what are you doing? He's cheating, man. He has wall hack. He has no idea about what he's doing. He has no idea, man. There's no way he can kill two of us. I don't understand, I swear. There's no way. Alright, he's not cheating. He's just lucky. Alright. Yeah, he was lucky. I don't know, man. He was like so bad. And if you think he killed two of us, like nothing, I don't know. It was suspicious, but he's good. I mean, he wasn't aim button. There was a horizon flying above him. He didn't see him. So if it was a wall hack, he would see him first. Everything's fine. Everything's good. There is no cheater in the game. At the moment. At the moment. At the moment. At the moment. La la la la da da dun da da dun dun da dun. Da da da da da da. Dun dun. Huh? Claro que sí, cariño. A ver, ¿qué dijo yo? Oh, se acaba el tiempo. Oh, sí, dos, ¿no? ¿Qué gusto? Para.
Introducing your champion. You know what I look like. Come
Debe
find
ser.
me.
As Jumpmaster, I'll decide on a course of action.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Where do you wanna go, guys?
Prepare for certain death.
Taxi driver here. Let's see where are the most people go. Yeah. Yeah. Good call. But this is way too much.
No.
No, they are two. This is not right. They were two.
I have only sentinel.
No worries, no worries. They had fences. They had everything. Take your time. What a loot! Yeah, the same team killed you as well. Run away, Lawton, run away! We will need you!
Yeah, just learn.
Run! she's cooking. She's cooking.
Another enemy down.
She's cooking.
I'm Stay with me, done. Hey, keep me. I'm done.
You're amazing, Lifeline. Amazing.
Oh my god.
She was cooking. Good job. Dang. Better than Asu. She was like, it's Timmy.
What?
Lifeline, I mean. She was like, it's Timmy. Like, pro player.
He's my
Asu.
queen.
Nice, nice. La la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la. She said that's her queen? Hmm. Amazing.
We become what we choose to be.
Wanna fly, compadre? Let's fly.
That's the skill you have to pay.
Introducing your
La la la la la la dun dun dun dun da da da. Hello, hello.
Let's go in hot and land there. Better run and hide.
Doctor, why do we die? Why are we dying too much? How can we survive more in Apex? Gotcha.
Your choices in this line. They will lead you to me.
Shot at. Enemy shield broken.
Doubling my bond.
Welcome.
Reloading. 1 minute. Ring
One more team behind us.
To heal.
I've been down.
Here, a slot to repeat.
Contact with
Come.
Renee. Attention. Evo harvesters are on.
Took down an enemy. Reckless.
I'm raising. Just don't die.
Issue cracked. Not used to taking
Come here,
bullets off the
Mr. Doctor.
Taking damage.
Task force throwing breaking through with the gate.
Ring's moving.
Tossing a third. Readying up fallback if things get too messy. Can you imagine you with your beautiful void nexus?
Yeah, nah.
No.
We're down at 20.
How are we gonna survive without Doctor?
Issue cracked. Hold on. Right. Someone's behind.
GG guys. Huh?
Contact the target.
Por lo menos completar una hora. No diga. Para que la gente no diga. Tú tranquila, yo estaba aviso, ¿vale? Tú tranqui. No, no te preocupes. Civanım gel yari. La la la la la la la.
Been putting the bomb in bombastic since 2681.
Introducing your champion.
Let old man Fusey show you ankle biters how we did it back in the day.
Back in the day.
Oh yeah.
Let's land here. Here we go. Ready up. Let's do this.
No and no. Wait, don't go twitchy. I'm heading over there. Having fun yet?
I'm gonna check over there.
Talk a little closer. Itching to meet them. If you find a thermite grenade, hand it over. Investigate for any pressures.
Hostile close.
These done at.
First blood.
Deploying me knuckle cluster. Rotate enemy shields. Clown taken down. Juicing me shields.
Are they on top?
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Where?
Healing. I'll walk it off.
Throwing arc star.
Rings close.
Thanks for the information, guys.
Target killed.
Rings close. 45 seconds on the clock. Grenades coming up, eh? Here comes the old knuckle cluster.
Straight. We've got 30 seconds.
Enemy here.
I died.
Straight on down.
Enemy
Come. Unlucky.
Couldn't mind your own beeswax, could ya?
warning. Ring closing.
Dale, acabo de revisar y tengo cuenta, ¿vale? Después de acabar esta partida, jugamos a Roblox.
Rings a bit of a roller coaster. Always inspires a face melting.
You and me. Let's take this win.
Introducing your champion.
I'm the jump master.
Hello, hello.
Samson Nola. That looks like a fun spot.
Hello?
Let's go.
Better run and hide. Landed close by. Just to eat them.
An empty house. Nice.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Going to.
Got a sniper arsenal here.
Oh,
Shot at.
no way, man. Just wait. Let me get my weapon first. Later you kill me. I'm still so young.
Move it over here.
Thank you, medic.
On guard.
Gotta kill this guy.
Let's go, let's go.
How can you kill me?
Rings close, with a minute to spare.
I have 2 long ranges. I think I'll be good. I suck.
Me too.
I hit him like 95. I mean, let him revive. You gotta change your name to let him revive.
Hold on. Recharging shields.
Got no shields. Come to me, come to, come to, come to, come.
For any crashes.
I have no shields.
Fellas, the ring's
I got my ult. I got my ult.
side of it.
Got our fallback plan in place. Pulling you back to the safety of my void nexus.
Reckon I'll use the voice nemesis.
Not used to taking bodies.
Are you level 2000?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm like 2000.
Damn.
Who drained
How many
I'm
hours
really,
do you have?
I'm really so old player.
How many hours do you have in Apex?
Huh?
How many hours do you have in Apex?
Like 10k?
a little
Damn, dude, that's insane though.
But why? Because I'm playing since 6 years.
I mean, hey, that's good, bro.
I basically work and live in Apex.
Yeah?
Hold on. Recharging shields.
Like, did you start in season 1 or
Yeah,
0?
yeah, yeah.
Or?
Exactly. I started when the
Yeah.
game released.
You kill leader out
And since then you've been just playing without a stop,
Yeah,
you know,
I
without a
mean,
break.
yeah. This is my main game.
Okay.
I play other games too, like Overwatch
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
and. But yeah, Apex was my non-stop game for a while.
Alright, I mean, it's a good game. Well, no,
It's crazy.
Extended heavy mag here. Ghost here.
Where are they?
enemy here.
This here to play. Tossing a thermite.
Ow!
Stand back, knuckle busters firing.
Recharging shields. Stop flying.
Bye bye.
Reloading.
Sniper stock here. Gold tier.
Hold on. Recharging shield. Strike here. Pager.
I can't go to my ult, man. You can't go to my ult? If you wanna run.
No.
GG's. This was crazy, man. GG, guys.
Yeah.
Come on, compadre, get up. Come on, come on, come on. Snacking a nap, you just.
Dare, ¿jugamos? Dare. Dare. Vamos, ¿no? Entonces, esperas. Y vamos a hacer de bueno, solo cambiar el título.
My parents won't criticize me here. An entire crowd here is dead. Time to put plans into practice. This is your champion. No such thing as auto-aim, ladies.
Time to stir up some trouble. I am the jump master. Let's break this wall.
You know it, you know it. Tablet, se va a caer.
Nice. Weapons looking fine. Attention. First blood.
Laser sight here. Gold tier.
Ooh, I'm digging that.
La la la la la.
Countdown. We're inside the ring. One less thing to worry about.
Extended light mag here. Level 1.
Extended sniper mag here. Level 2. Laser sight here. Extended light mag here. Level 2.
La la la. Y cariño, ahora voy, déjame acabar esto. Vosotros podéis ir jugando un poco a poco.
Medkit here.
Ahora voy, chicas. Por favor, no seáis así.
I want that. Per favore.
I've got a mobile respawn beacon.
Need an extended energy mag.
Hey, thanks.
Boy. Spotted a target in the distance.
Roger.
Hey, we're already inside the next ring.
Ah, there's a new kill leader. For now.
Tossing a thermite. Readying a fallback. Tossing a thermite. Tossing a thermite.
Level 3.
Tossing a frag.
Throwing a
Search over there.
Let's get a good position.
Come on. We're grouped here.
Setting a tracker. Un momento, per favore. Opponent found and tracked. Hey, they're shooting at me. I'm down. Nobody look. Hey,
Taking a ride to the void nexus.
I'll get you.
Reuniting you with my beautiful. Returning you to my void nexus. Risky too much.
No, man.
that's a win for me, amigo.
Alright, alright, alright. Vamos.